if your diesel engine has low power, or maybe it keeps cutting off on you when you're going down the road like this. Come on, let me show you what I found wrong with this truck. Got the J-Pro scan tool fired up and ready to go. I already did a full vehicle scan. There we can see I had several fault codes having to do with several of the engine sensors. And the fault code that I was especially interested in was the sensor supply 1 circuit fault. There you can see on J-Pro's fault guidance, this fault code occurs whenever there is a low signal detected at the sensor supply number 1 circuit. Looking back at the engine live data, there you can see sensor supply 1 is right around 4.8 volts, and it should be right at the 5 volt reference like sensor supply number 2. So it's a little low, not too bad, but the problem is intermittent. And when I was running it earlier, that voltage did drop close to 0 volts. Looking at the wiring schematic on J-Pro's fault guidance, there we can see sensor supply 1 supplies all of these sensors with the 5 volt reference. Okay, so it could be a problem with one of these sensors that's shorted out, bringing the 5 volt reference to ground. Could be a wiring problem, could be an engine ECM problem. Those are all good guesses, right? But no guessing. Let me show you what I would do in a situation like this. Right now, I have the multimeter hooked up to the 5 volt reference on one of the sensors, and it's reading okay. That's because the problem is intermittent. So I'm going to go to each of those sensors, wiggle the harness around in that area, see if I could get the 5 volt reference to drop out. See the voltage fluctuating every time I wiggle the harness where the cam sensor is located? Let me get you focused on the green laser. You see it? Yes, sir. The wire is exposed. It was making contact with the high pressure fuel pump, which was shorting out our 5 volt reference. So the fix, spray it down with some electrical cleaner, dry it off real good. Being that it's in a tight spot, and since the wire was still intact, it wasn't corroded or anything, still in good condition, I'm gonna seal it up with electrical liquid tape, retest. And that's gonna be it for this one. If not already doing so, make sure you like and follow me for more TIA.